Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. In this video, we're just going to be talking about the troubleshooting steps when you are rejected from your identity confirmation. Okay, so when you go ahead and submit a identity verification or confirmation, the document must display your name and date of birth or your name and a photo. Also, your ID must match your specific Facebook profile. So let's say your ID name's Ryan. Now your Facebook profile is Robert. Well, that's not going to work. All right. So when you go ahead and confirm your identity, make sure that your ID and your Facebook profile name is the same. Also, when you go ahead and take a photo, make sure that you use a natural light without flash. Also, do not crop the image or even blur the edges or even use a filter. And also, when you go ahead and confirm it from here, make sure that you are currently connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, as unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data can affect your identity confirmation. You must avoid using VPNs or corporate networks, as Facebook uses network or IP security to verify your activity. So do make sure that you submit your identity from a mobile device or a computer that you usually use to log in with Facebook. All right. Don't confirm your identity if you're using another device or a new device. I think you have it. Those are simple ways to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.